Congratulations,
Thank
Van
you.
Bit, on getting your license today at VicRoads Deer Park. How do you feel getting your license today, Van Bit?
I'm very feel good. I didn't expect, but I got it.
Ah, you didn't accept, but you got it.
Congratulations.
Yeah? Thank you, dear. And then, because of what? Because of
Your health and your hard work as well.
hard work as well.
Yeah.
Yeah, and all the good effort and the good work we
Yes.
put, only 5
That's
lessons.
really good.
Yeah?
Yeah, really good. I didn't expect like your instructor.
Yes?
Yeah.
Well done. Yeah, so
Yeah.
how did you find the company also, Origin?
I try to find online. I
Yes.
just search about the driving schools on the Google.
Yeah.
And I find about you.
Yeah.
And I see the reviews.
Yes?
So I feel I try,
Yeah.
but I did really get the result.
And you did successful from the
Yes.
first time, zero
Yes.
mistake, and only 5 lessons. Congratulations, well done.
Thank
Yeah,
you, thank
recommend
you.
to all your family and friends, and stay safe on the road, and all the
Yes.
very best.
Yeah. of
Okay,
course.
thank you, Bambi.
Thank you.
Thank
very
you.
much.